Hi everyone, welcome to Cajun's Lifestyle. Today I want to show you how I make my Cajun style shrimp. Shout out to Queenz Foods for sending me this awesome shrimp batter. Now I will be adding all of my seasonings that I'm using for this recipe on a plate and mixing it. All of my ingredients will be listed down below in the description box, so be sure to check that out. Now in a bowl, we're going to go ahead and work on our shrimp batter. Okay, so first I'm going to add in a little bit of heavy cream as well as some hot sauce and some mustard for some tanginess. And then we're going to add in 1 egg. After that, we're going to give that a very good mix until everything is fully incorporated. Now you want to add in half of that seasoning mixture we created earlier and mix that in really well. Now, once that is done, go ahead and add in all of your shrimp. Make sure your shrimp is very clean and deveined. That is the key. You want to give that a very good toss, cover that with plastic, and marinate that for a good 30 minutes to 1 hour. Once your shrimp is marinated for about 30 minutes to 1 hour, we're going to ahead and move on. I'm adding in that seafood batter, the dry batter, to a bowl. And next I'm going to add in some cornstarch. And with the cornstarch, it just creates a more crispier texture. That's the key. That's what we're looking for. Now we're going to add in the remainder of those seasonings we created earlier and mix that in very well. Next, we're going to add in a couple pieces of the shrimp. So now I'm just going to cover it up and shake it. If you have a Ziploc bag, a plastic bag, or anything of that sort that can really help you shake it, even a plastic bowl with a lid. You want to give that a light shake. Now we're going to place the shrimp on our baking rack. You want that to just sit for like 30 seconds to 1 minute before frying. At this point, my oil is preheated on 350. Okay, so after I shake up those last bit of shrimp, we're going to lightly shake off that excess flour, and then we're going to add the remaining shrimp on our baking rack. You want to let that sit for a little bit just to help ensure that that coating stays on the shrimp very well. Once your oil is heated, go ahead and drop in a couple pieces at a time. We're going to drop that and let that fry for about 4 to 5 minutes or until your liking. Now, it does depend on the size of your shrimp, so be sure to remember that. If you have smaller shrimp, it won't take as long. And if you have bigger shrimp, then make sure you keep an eye out on the time because you want it to be fully cooked. So those are perfect to my liking. That's the way we love it. Okay, so give that a quick toss. Make sure you drain that excess oil and get your sauces ready. And look at that beautiful golden brown. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. If you decide to recreate this recipe, be sure to tag me on Instagram at Chaz's Cuisine Story.